Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, and today we're reviewing this unit from Bow Rocks on Amazon. So I was sent this unit and it came in a brown color, a little chocolatey brown, and of course they included some little gifts. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform this wig. So as you can see, it started off as like a chocolate brown. So it came with the band. It's supposed to be a glueless unit. It's 13 by 4, not a full frontal, but you know, it's gonna get the job done or whatever. 180 density, because you know we like the wigs looking a little full. I could definitely say I like how full it was and how small the knots are. As you can see, the knots are pretty small. The hairline is not pre-plucked, so you will have to pluck it. So your girl wants to do a little half and half, but then I want to do like a little checkerboard, and then I wasn't really sure. So I do know I'm going to do half and half, just not sure how. Whenever you're mixing your bleach, you want to make sure you get a nice runny consistency when you're going to be bleaching the entire unit at once. You can do this with a bleach bath, or you can go in by hand. I'm going in by hand and painting this wig because I want an even lift, because I don't want much dimension. I'm going to be doing block coloring basically, and whenever you're doing block coloring, you want to make sure that you get an even lift. Doing a bleach bath might not necessarily give you the even lift you want. I know some of y'all hairstylists might be like, is she really about to sit here and lighten this whole wig by hand? And the answer is yes, I am, because I want a good quality lift, okay? When it comes to lightening and coloring, there are shortcuts like watercolor or bleach baths, but those things might not give you the artistic results that you want. And I want to be artistic, and I want this to be neat and colorful and beautiful. So, you know, your girl got to go in. And also to my clients, they'd be like, girl, why it take so long to color a wig? Girl, this is why. Anywho, so this is how it looked after I've applied the bleach in the areas that I wanted to lighten. I'm going to just let this sit until the bleach pretty much explodes or gets fluffy. Now we're going to have a little moment of transparency, okay? If you are doing this to a virgin wig, you need to eye it very carefully. Lightening virgin hair does not always yield the same results as lightening raw hair. When you lighten virgin hair, you may lose some hair, you may lose the quality of the curl pattern, but don't be mad at me because that has nothing to do with me. That is just the quality of the hair. So as you can see, the color came out nice and bright. I am going to have to lift it a little bit more in certain areas where I'm going to put yellow. So as you can kind of see, this is going to be my half and half. The brown area is going to be where I'm going to do black. And yes, as you can see, I did my little science project. I got my foils separating the colors. But yeah, we're going to stay tuned so y'all can see what it looks like when the foils are off. If you are coloring a wig multiple colors, it's always good to use either foil or you can use cling wrap, whichever is your choice of what's available. But that's just going to help keep everything nice and neat and separated. If I didn't use foil wrap, this would have all bled together. But as you can see, that color came out fire. Like, do you see her? Do you see her? Okay, thank you. Period. Make sure y'all like this video, share it with any friends that you think would be into this, and subscribe to my channel. Go on my Instagram page so you can see pictures of this unit. Till next time, peace and love.